organizing this activity, Love for Women and Children Advocacy Engagement. So I feel very blessed to be one of the partners of Save the Children Philippines. And as George mentioned, we are now on our 4th year of partnership. And I want to reiterate on behalf of Miss Universe Philippines that we are committed to work hand in hand with Save the Children in promoting and protecting the rights of children, women, and their families.
Sa mga pangangailangan ng lipunan, katuwang sila sa pagtuklas sa mga larangan ng agham at medisina. Kapanalig sila sa pagpapairal ng batas, karapatan at katarungan para sa lahat. Kabahagi sila sa paglilingkod sa bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng demokrasyang Pilipino. Sa paglipas ng panahon, hindi nagmaliw ang kanilang pag-ibig sa ating inang bayan. Mga kababayan, ito ang alay ng mga kababaihang Pilipino para sa bayan. Tumayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit.
Ang isang kinabukasan, puno ng pag-asa at oportunidad para sa bawat isa sa ating dito sa mundo. Sa ating panahon, walang maiiwan. Sabay-sabay tayo, maluwang mabuhay po tayo.
And empowerment. And this year, we launched a campaign called Love for All. This is quite unprecedented because we haven't done this in the past, where we selected 8 different areas or different causes that we would highlight and promote this year. And 2 of those causes are going to be highlighted today: the Love for Women and Love for Children. Ano nga ba yung Love for Women and Love for Children na gusto namin i-highlight sa Miss Universe Philippines? Maraming issues tayo na pagdadaanan ng kababaihan, maraming issues na pagdadaanan ng mga kabataan at ang mga bata sa Pilipinas. In a separate engagement, George and Save the Children team discussed with us the value of digital safety. So this is one of the more important issues we feel like we need to talk about in our platform. So maraming kabataan ngayon at mga bata hindi nagiging safe sa digital space, and they're being trafficked, and that there is a need for us to implement programs to educate the communities in how we can protect the children in our homes. Kasi minsan may maling, meron tayong ibang naiisip na hindi endanger ang mga kabataan dahil digital na po. But in fact, there is more harm done because of what is happening on this.
Very much attached to the community, especially to the children, especially to the needs of our children. And then we're so much, we appreciated so much our First Lady of Malabon for accepting all the programs of Save the Children.
Yeah.
My pangarap before was magkaanak. Yun talagang sa akin. Sabi ko mag-aasawa ko. Kasi I really want to have children. Kasi mahilig din ako sa bata. And then my mother was very much attached to children. And hilig talaga niya mag-ampon. So, sabi ko, pag ako makatapos, pag ako mag-aaral, mag-aasawa ako, at mag-aanak ako, then ako'y isang babae. I want to grow to be a woman. So, we Save the Children. Thank you very much. Because the program of Save the Children awakened all the women of Malabon, especially their program, especially their trainings sa amin, and then yung ibang mga parents, ibang mga babae na hindi nakakarating sa mga hotels.
So, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. I am your Miss Universe Philippines Cagayan de Oro representative, and my name is Lynn Irene Namogo. Well, my childhood dream, aside from being a beauty queen, is to be part of a psychology. Being a psychologist is to mean to have the variety of many illnesses that our community faces, and that includes mental and either physical. So I'm so happy and glad to be here in front of you and to be able to represent my city. Thank you.
Alright, good afternoon everybody. My name is Elba Durham Common. I'm Miss Universe Philippines Manibeles, and my childhood dream to become Miss Universe. And let's see if I'll be able to achieve that on May 22nd. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rapunzel Hongtanan. I am Natasha J. Pahuyo, representing Bukidnon. So my childhood dream is to become a doctor, and that is still my dream up until today. So hopefully, after I graduate this June, hopefully, cross fingers, let's go to med school, I think.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Maria Atisa Manalo, Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province, at marami po akong pangarap ng bata ako. Isa na po doon maging pulis, at isa rin po doon maging Charlie's Angels. But the recent dream na na-achieve ko po is maging businesswoman. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
Magandang tanghali, Malabon, Mayor, and everyone. My name is Stephanie Fejarano from the Basket of Happiness, province of Quirino. My dream is always to inspire a lot of people. As a mother of three, that does not stop me from believing in my dreams. That's why, as a mother, I still keep on pursuing the dreams that I have. That's why I'm here in front of you, joining Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you.
Magandang hapon, mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Mayora, good afternoon po, and to Save the Children, to Miss Universe Philippines Organization. I am Maika Cobling Martinez, mula po ako sa Rice Granary of the Philippines, Nueva Ecija. As a child, ang pangarap ko po talaga ay maging newscaster and a media practitioner. And because I am a dream go-getter, I pursued it. I graduated cum laude from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, major in broadcast communication. That's why one thing that I would want to share with everyone, how many failure that you will face. Talagang patuloy po tayo sa ating mga pangarap. And of course, I'm now here in Miss Universe Philippines, but of course, I would also want to be a storyteller. That's why I really pursued this advocacy. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and I can't wait to share the entire afternoon with everyone. Thank you so much.
And now let's have the group from the Love for Children Advocacy. So ganito ulit ang saya natin. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Maricel Ailaganat from the province of Batangas. So, inisip ko kanina kung ano ba yung dream ko as a child at ang inisip ko lang gusto ko maging princess. But, wala akong masyadong pangarap nung bata ako. Pero, nung lumaki ako, doon ko na-realize na ang dami kong mga bagay na naging proud ako sa sarili ko. So, flex ko lang din. I graduated magna cum laude ng college. So, dati, isipin nyo, hindi ako nangangarap, pero na-achieve ko yun at nandito na ako ngayon sa Miss Universe Philippines. Kaya ang advocacy ko is for the youth kasi I know na sa mga child, marami kayong pangarap at susuportahan ko kayo lahat. Thank you.
Magandang hapon po to all of you. My name is Matea Mahal Smith, representing the Filipino community of Florida. As a child, I think I had a lot of dreams, but I had two major ones. One was to be an Olympic track athlete, and well, that didn't work out, but here I am. And the next was to be a trauma surgeon, and I'm still in pursuit of that dream. And at the top of my class in my undergraduate, and pursuing medical school hopefully soon once I graduate. And I just want to say thank you to Save the Children and Miss Universe Philippines organization for having us here today. And I'm really excited for the program. Salamat po.
Maganda ka ba lang po? Yan. Masanta si Ago at si Kain Amin. Or should I say, good day to everyone. My name is Grace Dinea Chualamandi, representing the place of salt making or the home of 100 islands of Alamina City, province of Pangasinan. So my childhood dream is to collect the Barbie collection. Yun lang talaga. Pero nung medyo tumanda na ako, I want to travel the world talaga yun. So yun. Thank you so much. Yeah, just kidding. Hello everyone, magandang hapon po, Malabon, and hello universe. This is Mary Rose Sandargueral representing the beautiful province of Cavite, but particularly it's Naig Cavite. So, I wanted it to be casual. Pinakapangarap ko po talaga is to become a neurosurgeon, but because I am an orphan, I grew up in an orphanage that maybe some of you also are experiencing. Nag-end up po ako as becoming a mechanical engineer, but I know it's kinda malayo doon sa dream ko, but I know that the Lord has a purpose and everything was orchestrated, and now I am also helping the agricultural sector of my community. Thank you. po pala sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa amin. Ako nga po pala si Zaira May Telan Cabalza, your Miss Universe Philippines, taga-Garao City. Well, ang pangarap ko po talaga ng bata ako, I know this may sound funny, pero pangarap ko po maging ibon. Hindi ko po alam, siguro parada akong sabog. Pero pangarap ko po talaga maging ibon. Alam niyo na, pag bata, sobrang lawak ng isip, punong-puno ng kuryosidad. At ngayon naman po, pangarap ko po maging isang doktor. I am currently taking the BS Medical Laboratory Science and malapit na po manifesting to graduate na po. Thank you so much po.
Isang napakagandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po Sir Tiana Rosie from the Island Born of Fire, Camiguin. So ano pong pangarap ko ng bata ako? Actually, may dalawa akong pangarap when I was still young, when I was still a child. Yung una is makapunta ng Hong Kong Disneyland. And yung pangalawa is mag-ulam lagi ng spam. Pero ngayon po, hindi na spam yung gusto ko. Pansit malabon na. Or kidding aside, nung bata pa po kasi ako, yung mga kapitbahay ko po, nagpunta sila ng Hong Kong Disneyland kasama yung pamilya nila. But since hindi naman po ako lumaki na kasama yung magulang ko, pangarap ko lang pong makapunta ng Disneyland kahit wala pong magulang. And even though hindi ko siya natupad nung bata pa ako kasi mahirap lang kami, I am very proud to say with all of my hard work and dedication, at the age of 21, I was able to go to Hong Kong Disneyland. Yun lang po.
Magandang hapon po din sa ating lahat. First of all, I'd like to welcome all the candidates of Miss Universe. And I'd like to thank Save the Children for all the programs they've given Malabon, lalo sa financial literacy. Sometimes the problem is economic, diba? All these things that we're experiencing right now, all the problems are partly because of economic problems. And Save the Children has given so much all these years, even before Mom came in. And it's very, very special to me because ever since I was a child, the main advocacy ko is yung syempre hindi naman maglaro, magpaganda. As I grew up, nakita ko yung mga dapat tulungan, yung sense of entitlement because you are privileged is sometimes there, but you have to use your privilege to help other people. Diba? You're given a good life, but may ang Panginoon ay mayroong binibigay sila na paraan para makatulong. So, itong pagtatapon mo, Lord, hindi ko naman ito pinangarap eh. Nangyari na lang. I finished computer science. I never thought or dreamed na I would one day become a mayor. Itong pagka-mayor ay naging tuloy para makatulong ako sa mga kababaihan, sa mga kabataan, at syempre po, ang pagtulong sa kababaihan at pagtulong naman sa kanilang mga pamilya. So, ang aking dream talaga ay may aman ko ang Malabon, pagbigyan ko ng pag-asa at inspirasyon ang bawat mamamayan hindi lang mga kababayan at kabataan dito sa ating bayan. At pabigyan ko sila ng isang maging hawak, payat, maayos na pamumuhay para rin makatulong din sila sa inyong tao. And hindi man ko yung tulong, o hindi mo namin kaya kami lang. We are all in this together. And I wish everyone good luck in all their dreams, their advocacies. Ang tanging masasabi ko lang ay kami ay kasama mo rin sa inyong pangarap. Dahil ang pangarap mo ay pangarap din namin para sa inyo.
Alright, and then tawagin, let's say na po muna dito, tawagin naman po natin yung mga children, and we have the children first here to join the candidates and mayor. Alright, hiling naman po namin ng mga group na yung mga bata. Tawagin naman po natin ang mga women of Malabon to please join our candidates. Stay lang po muna mga stay lang po muna. Tawagin po natin yung mga bata para one big happy family po tayo dito. Mga bata po, you can sit down. Yung mga police po natin, yung join po. Alright, maraming salamat po sa mga, sino po yung candidates, si Mayor? Sorry, isa lang. Can we call yung Save the Children staff, please? Save the Children staff. may we request lang some of our friends from the LG Malabon to help us rearrange yung seats na parang pa-circle. Circle dito. Social lang. Sama po kayo, mga kapulisan po natin, yung mga ano po, mga taga-LG natin. Sige na po, don't be shy. Okay, thank you very much. You may now take your seats. Thank you so much.